your parents? I don't remember my parents. I've been an orphan all of my life. You mean you've never had a home?
The monastery is your home now.
Liver and toads, Rocky, your favorite.
I can't believe you hypnotized one of the ninja. Does the general know? Of course not. He's been put under the control of Lloyd, and I plan to use it for my best interest. Everyone works while you two slack. As my second in command, I expect more from you, Scales. Yes, General. General, you know I am most loyal to you, but I must question this childish agenda. The ninja has stolen our staff, yet you instruct your army to make this playhouse for Lloyd? Snakes don't belong in trees.
You know better.